Welcome everybody to Life Elite Christmas Day 23. Coming up on Christmas Eve. It's getting real exciting. So today we made a holiday star green salad with all the fruits you can think of.
I don't even know what this salad is called, but I will link the blog that I found on below. But this is like such a beautiful salad. It has so many amazing things in it. Pomegranate and oranges and apples and onion and kale and Swiss chard, and it's so quick and easy to make, but looks so festive and pretty. And if you want, you can even add like a little star on top like we did. It's just so cute. And we're gonna show you how to make it. So let's get started. So today we're making this amazing multicolored salad, and this is actually so easy to make. I'm going to show you guys all the ingredients here, but we'll have the full recipe on the blog in the description box. The first thing we're going to do is chop up all of the Swiss chard. So you can actually chop up the stem as well, and it has a little bit of a different flavor, but it's really good added into the salad, or you can just choose to do the leaves. We're also going to chop up the kale. If you don't like kale, you could definitely leave it out and substitute like spinach or something else, but the kale is actually really delicious in this salad. We love this salad. Not only is it beautiful because it has so many different colors in it, but it's also really, really good for you and really delicious and very, very healthy. There's no added preservatives or any crazy dressings with a lot of sugar. It's just 100% natural and really delicious. Thing we're going to do is chop up our onion, apple, and our orange, and those are going to be added into the salad as well. Salad is so full of nutrients. The kale and the Swiss chard have a lot of antioxidants and are a really great source of fiber. And then the orange has a lot of vitamin C, so do the pomegranates and the apple. So great. It has so many great ingredients in it. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is chop up these grapes. I just sliced them in half, but you could actually do whole grapes if you're short on time. Next up, I'm slicing up our orange. I peeled the orange in half and then sliced it into chunks. We're just going to top it with our pomegranate seeds and our chopped pecans. Okay, so next up, these are the ingredients for our dressing. So we've got some apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, cayenne pepper, salt and pepper, and then some lemon juice. And she has all the exact measurements on the blog, but I actually doubled the recipe because I think I had a little bit more Swiss chard than she used. So, and I also used kale, so I made a little bit more than what the recipe called for. I think I doubled it. Apple cider vinegar is definitely an old reliable when it comes to salad dressings, but it also has a lot of health benefits. So this one is just really, really great for any salad, but I especially like it on this salad with all of the fruit in it and everything. It's just really, really good. So you'll probably want to make a bit extra if you want people to be able to pour this on their salad at will, but we actually pre-mixed it. That's how she did it on the blog, and we thought it was really, really good. And then you also don't have to have your table cluttered with any other bottles or anything. It's just already pre-mixed. Okay, last up, we're going to top this with some fresh grated orange zest. If you want to get really fancy, you can make a little star out of bread like we did, but this obviously is just for decoration. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We hope you try out this salad. It's so quick and easy to make. Will go great at any holiday party and is like very clearly Christmassy. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we are making new videos all the time. We have 2 more days of Life Elite Christmas. It's so exciting that it's almost Christmas Day, and we have a lot of great stuff coming in the new year. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a video. And we will see you guys for Life Elite Christmas Day 24 tomorrow.
Christmas Eve. Eat your grades.